Today we're going to move our bodies with some help from Splats. Let's begin by coding a countdown timer. We're going to use the countdown timer to see how many of an exercise we can do before the timer runs out. You have many exercises to choose from, and they include crab walk, jumping jacks, push-ups, crunches, lunges, running in place, burpees, mountain climbers, air punches, and toe touches. Don't worry if you don't know what all these exercises look like. We're going to include examples so you know exactly what to do. Let's get started building our countdown. So we need to be able to hear our program count down while we're doing our exercises. So to start, let's use the say and delay blocks. We're going to place these blocks in a function so that we can keep the rest of our code neat and so that we can reuse them later. Let's have our countdown start from 10. So go to functions, grab the do something block, travel to sounds, and scroll down until you see the say block. So we want our countdown to start with 10. Next, I'm going to go to my controls panel and grab a delay block. And the reason why we want a 1 second delay in between our countdown is because we want our countdown to be set at a nice steady rate. So you can then continue the pattern until you get to the last digit, and to do so, just go to your panel and you can grab your say buttons and your delay buttons. But don't forget, you can also right click and duplicate. So let's say I want to duplicate all three. I can do that by clicking the first block, the function block, unsnapping. I can put this in the trash. And don't forget, you need a delay in between, so I'm just going to quickly duplicate that. And this will be 9. So I'm going to go ahead and finish. This is a great time to pause the video if you want to get started creating your own countdown. Alright athletes, so here I have my countdown from 10 all the way to 1. And it looks really good, but before we're done, let's add another delay at the end and some sort of sound to let us know that we should stop doing our exercise. In order to add a delay, you know exactly what to do. Go to controls, grab a delay block, snap it on at the end, and we're going to give ourselves 5 seconds from when the countdown ends to when the sound plays to let us know we should stop exercising. Next, we're going to go to sounds, and in this case we're going to add a sports sound since we're doing exercises, and we're going to scroll down to ref whistle. So go to sounds again, play sound, snap it on the end, ref whistle on splat 1. And that's it. Now that we have our countdown function, let's get started building the rest of our code. So go to starting, and we're going to do when program starts. So as soon as the program starts, we want to hear that it starts. So let's make a duplicate of our ref whistle sound. I'm going to right click, duplicate, and I'm going to snap it right here. And then we need to call for our function. So go back to functions, and you can see that we have a countdown from 10 now. Snap that on. This is a great time to run your code and make sure that it does everything you want it to. So if you want, you can pause the video and put together your function countdown if you haven't already, and the rest of your code, so when program starts, playing sound and calling back to your function. When you're done, it should sound like this.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And you're good to go. So alternatively, you can also have your delay and the end sound here in your main code, and it'll still work the same. Congratulations, you're ready to start exercising. Make sure you save your code. You're going to need it for our next activity. And stay tuned, and I'm going to show you what all the exercises look like.